In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your screen color on your Android phone. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your screen looks amber or yellow, night light or eye comfort shield is likely active. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen to open the quick settings, and then look for the night light or eye comfort shield icon. And basically, if it's on, all you want to do is go ahead and turn this off. And what you could also do is if you have a grayscale screen like black or white or anything like that, check that you're not in bedtime mode. And then also what you could do is swipe down on the top right, go over to your settings, and then go ahead and find accessibility over here. Once you go ahead and find accessibility, go into it, and then go over to visibility or vision enhancements, and then go over and tap color correction, and then ensure that it is turned off because that's not what you want. And yeah, after that, you should be good to go. If there's any colors that are washed out or anything like that, then what you could also do is go back to settings, then go over to display. Once you're in display, go on to screen mode or color profile. And if there is adaptive color tone or anything like that, go ahead and try that. Also, you can switch your screen mode to vivid or saturated instead of natural as well. Yeah, it's as simple as that.